my dear students. Myself Isha Jain from GD Goenka University, Assistant Professor. My co-author is Dr. Manish Madan, Associate Professor from Rukmani Devi Institute of Advanced Studies, Delhi. Today the topic of our study is an empirical analysis of the factors affecting production and export of natural rubber in India. The Rubber Board is an organization constituted under the Rubber Act 1947 and working under the aegis of Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, with an objective to promote and facilitate production, processing and marketing of natural rubber. Our present challenges are with the small scale units, and the major challenges are how they can cope up in the current scenario of global competition, rising fuel cost, rising raw material cost and reduction in import duty. The objectives of our study are to explore and examine various factors examining or affecting production of natural rubber in India, and to explore and examine various factors affecting export of natural rubber in India. And for the accomplishment of these objectives, we have formulated 10 hypotheses, 5 for production of natural rubber in India and 5 for export of natural rubber in India. We relate 5 factors for production and 5 factors for export, and on the basis of these hypotheses, we have developed 2 study models. These are our model, production of natural rubber in India, where is the regression equation is A plus B1x1 plus B2x2 plus B3x3 plus B4x4 on plus E, where A is constant and E is error. This is our study model 2 for export of natural rubber in India. Again, there is one regression equation formulated for same. As far as research methodology is concerned, our study is explorative in nature, and we collected the data from secondary sources through very reliable sources. In order to find the impact of various factors like export, import, stock, domestic prices as well as rainfall on the production of natural rubber in India, and production, stock, domestic prices, world market prices and world population on export of natural rubber in India. A data of 24 years, that is from 1991 to 2014 was collected. Ordinary least square method was used to determine variables affecting production and export of natural rubber in India, and the test